Hey, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a review of the Moxi Beach Bunny roller skates. I have been using these skates for 2 months now, and so I thought it's the perfect time to kind of give my opinion on them. For those of you who don't know, I am currently doing the 365 days of skating challenge on Instagram, and my Instagram is @LucyAnnSkates. So I have been skating every day. I post every single day on there as well with my progress. And so I have now got 4 different pairs of skates. So I feel like I have a good kind of judgment on the different types of skates at the moment. And these were my second pair of skates. My boyfriend Dan actually got these for me as a birthday present, because obviously he's just the best boyfriend ever. Oh my goodness, when I opened up the box and saw Moxi and then I saw these, I was just like, oh my god. Because I had wanted a pair of Moxis for absolutely ages, and I was, so happy. I was so happy. So as I said, these are the Beach Bunny Moxi skates. They came in this box here, which already is just a really cool box. And they also come with these toe guards, and I haven't actually put them on yet, clearly, but I'm actually going to put these on straight after this video, so maybe I'll put a clip right now. So these are just a really cute extra that come with them so that you can protect the toes of your skates. But as I said, I've been using these for 2 months and they are actually really in still pretty great condition, to be honest. They literally have like no scuffs, I just realised. Amazing. So some of the parts of this skate, starting with the toe stops. When I first received these, the toe stops were quite loose. These are adjustable toe stops, so you can make them further out, you can push them really far in. When I first got my Beach Bunnies, they were quite far out and they would kind of trip me a little bit. But all I needed to do was get a Y3 tool, which I have, and I just twisted them, tightened them at the bolt, and then they were absolutely perfect. So the toe stop is a really good toe stop. I actually really am used to this now, and I really love this toe stop. If you saw my Impala review video for the Impala roller skates, you'll see that I mentioned that their toe stops are a little bit bulky. I actually have one of my Impalas here. So as you can see, their toe stops are a bit larger. So yeah, it took me a while to get used to these ones, as obviously that is what I was used to, as I was only using Impala skates before. But now I love these toe stops, love them. Then we have the laces. So with all kind of beginner roller skates, the laces are always, after a while, going to start to tear a little bit. I've had these for 2 months and they're still pretty good condition, to be honest. They've got a couple of little random threads that are getting a little bit choppy. But all in all, they're still completely fine. I will still be keeping these in. I have no plans on changing these. I love these laces. I just think they look really cool. And I really love the colour match. These are the periwinkle, I think they're called, the periwinkle colour of skates. And yeah, I just absolutely love the colour. So these skates have a rolled cuff at the back, as you can see, with the cutest pattern. I don't know if you can actually see in there, but it's basically got a pattern the whole way around the inside and around the cuff up here, and it's just really cute. It's just little bunnies and music notes and M's and roller skates. It's so cute. I actually love the pattern. One thing I would say about these skates is they have really good ankle support, but when you first try them on, you might be like, ouch, because they are very firm around the ankle. So the tongue here is kind of like a rubbery material. And when you first try them on, they are just obviously quite sturdy. And then after, say, 2-3 days of wearing them, for me, it took about 3 times of wearing them. And then they obviously got used to the shape of my ankles and the shape of my feet, and they were completely comfortable. And now I love them. Whenever I put them on, I think they're so comfortable. But yeah, I would just say for the first maybe 2 or 3 days, you might feel a little bit like all of this part here around the ankle is a little bit stiff, especially kind of like the rubber tongue part. It might feel like it's kind of digging in a little bit, but honestly, it does doesn't last forever. It does get a lot better after you've worn them in and after they've kind of become used to the shape. See, now they're kind of like more bent to the shape of my ankle. So I think they're really comfortable now. Whenever I put these on, I always think they are so comfortable. And one thing is, with other skates, you need to do up the laces really tight around this bit to make sure obviously that they feel sturdy. Whereas with these, you really don't have to do that because they already are sturdy. So very good for ankle support. The wheels on the Moxi Beach Bunnies are beautiful and they have glitter in them as well, which I love. They are the perfect wheels for if you are wanting to do some outside trail skating, if you want to do some inside skating. They're great for spinning, they're great for strutting. I personally have been using these wheels since I got them 2 months ago. I found them fine, I've been trail skating, I've been doing all different sorts of things with these wheels. I am now that I have got all of my skates kind of sorted, I am going to be buying some black Radar Energy 65mm wheels for these skates so that I can go on trail skates and have really chunky wheels. But that's just because I want these to be my trail skating skates, as I just really like trail skating in them, to be honest. So that's my plan, but these wheels are absolutely fine for if you are just a beginner and you just want to be able to kind of go out on trail skates, do some spins, learn some moves. They are absolutely fine for that. One thing that I noticed straight away about these skates is that the distance between the two sets of wheels is not loads, but it is enough that you notice that it is apart compared to the Impala skates. So if you look here, I don't know if you can really tell, the Impala wheels are closer together, whereas the Moxi wheels are further apart. And one thing that this does do is it does make your foot feel a lot sturdier. When I first put these on, I really noticed that as a big difference, because when you imagine, if you have a wheel closer to your toes and a wheel closer to your heels, you're going to have more balance and it's going to stop you from going when you are a complete beginner. So that is one thing that I would take into consideration. If you are a complete beginner and you were looking to buy some roller skates, then obviously I started with the Impala skates and I loved them and they really did me well up until however many months I used them for. But I do think these, when I tried them on, I did notice they were sturdier, so that I did feel a lot more sort of as if my foot was more kind of holding my weight in the correct proportion, if that even makes sense. I feel like hopefully you'll get what I mean by that. But yeah, so that was something straight away when I tried these on, I straight away just said, God, they really feel as if they're kind of holding my weight more balanced. But saying that, I do still obviously love my Impala skates because they were my first skate, they were my beginner skate. It's just that these, I really love these. Like, I really love them. So overall, I love these skates. I'm definitely going to be putting my toe stop on, as you've probably already seen. I've probably put a clip in of that, which is going to look so cute. I'm going to change the wheels to black outdoor wheels so that these will be proper good for trail skating and they'll be protected if I fall or anything, which hopefully I won't. Funnily enough, I actually don't think I have fallen over in these apart from when I took the toe stop out and forgot. But apart from that, these have been quite sturdy for me and I have used them on a lot of trail skates and yeah, they literally barely have a mark on them, which is more than I can say for my beginner Impala skates that I used for the first few months. They literally were ruined within about two times of wearing them. So my overall review on the Moxi Beach Bunny roller skates is I love them. I would say they're absolutely perfect for beginners. I would say make sure that you give yourself some time to wear them in, as like I said, they're not the most comfortable when you first try them on, but they will be fine. Give them a couple of days, let them get used to the shape of your ankles and the shape of your feet and everything, and trust me, they will feel fine after that. They will feel amazing. Now that this bit is completely kind of used to the shape, it's so comfy. I love it. The laces are a fine quality. They're doing me well after 2 months, no issues there. The wheels have done me extremely well for everything that I've tried, outdoor skating, indoor skating, spins, strutting, all of that. I have found them to be completely fine. And the toe stop, I would say if you are ordering these, make sure that you just adjust it to fit how you want it to fit, as it was just a little bit too far down for me. But now it's absolutely perfect. One thing as well, I did loosen the wheels a little bit when I first got these, just so that they would kind of spin a little bit more. as they were quite stiff when I first got them. So yeah, wear them in for a few days, maybe loosen the wheels a little bit and tighten the toe stop, or loosen the toe stop, whatever is better for you. And I hope that you enjoy them as much as I have, as I really have loved having these in my collection. So I hope that this review could help you to kind of make a decision on what skates you wanted to get, or if you were going to choose these. The thing with these is that they are an affordable price, they are a Moxi skate, they are great quality. So I hope that this review could help you. Please like this video if you enjoyed, and comment below if you are going to buy yourself some beach bunnies, or if you already have some, and what you think of them as well, because I just find it interesting knowing what other people think as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!